Does your laptop keyboard not working? Don't worry, we have simple solution. Hi, I am Ramesh and welcome to Easy Classes tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how you can fix your laptop keyboard which is not working properly. So without wasting time, let's get started. First, open Device Manager. To open the Device Manager, go to the Windows search bar and type Device Manager. So you will find Device Manager here, or else you can open the Device Manager by right clicking on the Start menu and select Device Manager. So once you open the Device Manager, go to the Keyboards option. In the left side arrowhead you can see here, click on that to expand Keyboard Drivers. This is the keyboard driver. Right click on the driver and select Uninstall Device. Yes, we have uninstalled the standard keyboard driver. Close the window. Now open the control panel. To open the control panel, you can use on-screen keyboard. Go to the taskbar and right click on that and you will find Show Touch Keyboard button. Click on that. So here you can see on-screen keyboard icon. So go to the Windows search bar and select the on-screen keyboard and type Control Panel. You'll find Control Panel app here. Open that Control app. Now we can disable this on-screen keyboard. Here I will change the icons. So go to the category section and go to the ease of access. Here select change how your keyboard works. Come down, turn on filter keys here. So make sure it is enabled and now select set up filter keys. Here you have to enable turn on filter keys. So once you done, apply the changes and say OK.
Always scan this section.
Now close the window. So next you have to restart your Windows PC. So okay, once the device is restarted, again go to the control panel. Select ease of access. Go to change how your keyboard works and here turn on filter keys. This option you have to disable and go to setup filter keys and here again you have to disable this option. Turn on filter keys. So once you're done, apply the changes and say OK.
Always scan this section.
Okay, let's check whether the keyboard is working or not. Here I'm opening a notepad to test it. So yes, it's working and as you can see I can type anything I want by using my laptop keyboard now. This is how we have fixed our laptop keyboard. Hope this video helps you. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. Like, comment and share the video to help others also. We will meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye bye.